Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can catch this cute epic buffer fish in Fish It Roblox. So if you want to add the epic buffer fish to your collection, here I'm going to show you the exact location to hook this cute fish. And for the location, first you need to go to the tropical growth. And as for the road that I'm using the element road with Singularity bait. And for the location, basically you can just go to the fishing spots, your favorite fishing spots on the tropical grove. You can go inside the cave, or you can also just fish in here outside the cave or at the top. So that's all for me. That's how you can get the epic buffer fish in Fish It. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.